Today, I'm revealing two world-class companies trading at prices that make zero sense. These aren't just any stocks, they're household names with a proven track record of success, yet the market is overlooking them right now. Imagine getting a rare second shot at buying into the next decade's biggest winners. One powers the creative world, fueling innovation, while the other organizes the world's information, shaping how we live and work every day. These giants are innovating non-stop, dominating their industries, and right now the market is practically giving them away at bargain prices you don't see often. I'll break down exactly why Wall Street is missing the boat, and why these stocks could truly change your financial future if you act now. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Now let's dive in. First up, Adobe, ticker ADBE, the backbone of digital creativity. For decades, Adobe has been at the heart of how the world creates, edits, and shares digital content. If you've ever seen a stunning photo or a slick website, Adobe's tools were likely behind it. From the world's top creative agencies to solo freelancers, Adobe is the silent partner powering visual storytelling everywhere. Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, these aren't just products, they're verbs. That's brand dominance. When your product name becomes the action, you know you've reached a level of cultural significance few companies ever achieve. Adobe's software is a necessity for creatives and businesses worldwide. It's not a luxury, it's a utility. For many, it's as essential as electricity or the internet. Their genius? Switching from expensive one-time licenses to affordable subscriptions. Now millions pay monthly, and once you're in, you're hooked. This model transformed Adobe from a cyclical business into a recurring revenue machine. The switching costs are sky high, years of projects, workflows, and files are built around Adobe. Leaving is almost impossible. The deeper you go, the more irreplaceable Adobe becomes. This means recurring, predictable revenue, an investor's dream. Every month the cash flows in, creating stability and visibility that few tech companies can match. So why is Adobe a bargain? The stock dropped after a failed Figma acquisition and fears that AI will make their tools obsolete. The market is worried, but that's often when opportunity knocks. But here's the twist, Adobe isn't being replaced by AI, they're leading the charge. Instead of being left behind, Adobe is setting the pace for the next era of creative technology. Their generative AI, Firefly, is built on Adobe's own licensed content, making it safe for commercial use, something no competitor can match. This is a huge differentiator in a world where copyright and content rights matter more than ever. Firefly is integrated directly into Photoshop and other flagship apps, letting users create and edit with AI in seconds. It's not just a new feature, it's a new way to work. Instead of replacing artists, AI supercharges them, faster, more creative, more efficient. It's about amplifying human creativity, not automating it away. This is the biggest upgrade Adobe's products have ever had, and it's driving even more users to their platform. The adoption curve is steep, and the momentum is real. The market is pricing Adobe as if it's about to be disrupted, but it's actually the disruptor. They're rewriting the rules of digital creation. Let's talk numbers. Adobe's trading at a forward PE below its 5-year average. You're getting a high-margin, wide-moat software giant at a discount. That's a rare combination in today's market. Their business is split into two powerhouses, Creative Cloud and Document Cloud. Each is a leader in its category, and both are growing. Creative Cloud is the industry standard for digital creation, now supercharged by AI. It's the go-to toolkit for everyone from YouTubers to Hollywood studios. Document Cloud, think Acrobat and PDF, is the global standard for digital documents, another sticky, subscription-based business. It's the backbone of digital paperwork for businesses, governments, and individuals. Every time you sign a contract or edit a PDF, Adobe gets paid. It's essential for modern business. The digital document revolution is only accelerating. Both segments are growing, highly profitable, and generate recurring revenue. This is the engine that keeps Adobe's growth story running. The market's fear has created a disconnect between Adobe's stock price and its true strength. Sometimes perception lags reality, and that's where opportunity lies. Adobe keeps posting record revenue and profits, has a pristine balance sheet, and is buying back stock. They're rewarding shareholders while investing for the future. Management is disciplined, investing heavily in AI and future growth. They're not resting on their laurels, they're building what's next. Their user base is massive, hundreds of millions worldwide, from hobbyists to Fortune 500 companies. Adobe's reach is truly global, crossing industries and borders. The network effect is huge. The more people use Adobe, the more valuable it becomes. Collaboration, compatibility, and community all reinforce Adobe's dominance. Competing with this ecosystem is nearly impossible. Alternatives exist, but none offer the depth, integration, or reliability of Adobe. Adobe's leadership is top-notch, and their pivot to subscriptions was one of the best business moves ever. It's a textbook case of strategic reinvention. Their AI integration shows they're still ahead of the curve. They're not just keeping up, they're setting the pace for the industry. To recap, Adobe has market dominance, a brilliant subscription model is leading the AI revolution, and is trading at a rare discount. It's a combination that doesn't come around often. This is a world-class business facing temporary headwinds, exactly the kind of opportunity smart investors look for. When the market is fearful, the best bargains emerge. As the world gets more digital, demand for Adobe's tools will only grow. Every new creator, every new business, every new digital workflow adds to Adobe's addressable market. This is a long-term compounder you can buy at a bargain. The power of compounding works best with businesses that have staying power. Don't let short-term panic distract you from the long-term picture. The noise of the market is temporary, but Adobe's value endures. Adobe is the engine of the creative economy, and its moat is only getting wider. Every innovation, every new feature, every satisfied user makes it harder for competitors to catch up. The fundamentals are screaming by, even as the market is scared. Sometimes the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight. When fear is high and the story is misunderstood, that's when the best bargains appear. Savvy investors know to look past the headlines. Adobe is a fortress, not a melting ice cube. Its foundation is solid and its future is bright. Buying Adobe today is betting on the future of digital creativity and business. As technology evolves, Adobe is positioned to lead the way. The opportunity is rare and the upside is massive. Few companies offer this blend of growth, resilience, and value. Adobe holds a market cap of $161.3 billion. In 2024, the company generated $21.5 billion in revenue, with a net income of $5.56 billion. That translates to earnings per share of $15.70, giving it a price-to-earnings ratio of 23.78. Adobe's strong profitability, combined with a reasonable valuation for a tech giant, shows that it remains a powerful player in the digital content space, continuing to deliver steady returns for investors. This is your chance to be greedy when others are fearful. The best returns often come from moments of uncertainty. Adobe is, without a doubt, a phenomenal stock bargain right now. The fundamentals, the moat, and the growth are all there. If you want a stock with dominance, growth, and innovation, Adobe is it. It's a rare blend of creativity and business acumen. The market's misunderstanding is your opportunity. Don't let it slip by while others hesitate. Don't miss out on this one. Opportunities like this don't come around every day. Adobe's story is just getting started. The next chapter could be its most exciting yet. The next decade belongs to companies like this. Adobe is built for the future, not the past. The creative world runs on Adobe, and so can your portfolio. Let Adobe's innovation fuel your investment returns. This is the kind of stock you want to own for years. Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. The fundamentals are strong, the moat is wide, and the price is right. Adobe is a buy. Let's move to the next bargain. Alphabet is up next. Next up, Alphabet, ticker GOOG, the parent of Google and a true tech titan. This is a company that has fundamentally shaped the way we interact with the internet, and its influence only continues to grow. Google Search is a global utility with over 90% market share. It's the gateway to the world's information, relied on by billions every single day for everything from news to shopping to research. Businesses pay billions to get in front of users searching for their products. The cash flow is staggering, and Google's ad platform is the backbone of digital marketing worldwide. YouTube, the world's second-largest search engine, is another advertising juggernaut under Alphabet's roof. It's not just a video platform, it's a cultural phenomenon and a massive revenue engine. If Alphabet was just searching YouTube, it'd still be one of the best investments out there. These two alone generate more profit than most companies could ever dream of. But the market is worried about AI disrupting Google's dominance. There's a fear that new technology could threaten the core business. Here's what they're missing. Alphabet has been an AI leader for over a decade. They've been quietly building the infrastructure and expertise that power today's breakthroughs. Their models, like Gemini, are among the world's most advanced. They have the data, talent, and resources to stay ahead. Alphabet's AI research is setting the pace for the entire industry. Alphabet is integrating AI into search, making it even more powerful and useful. The next generation of search will be smarter, faster, and more personalized than ever before. No one is better positioned to win the AI race than the company that already indexed the internet. Their infrastructure is unmatched, and their reach is global. The fear of disruption has made Alphabet stock a bargain. Investors are overlooking the company's strengths and pricing in too much risk. It's trading at a forward PE in line with the S&P 500. Insane for a company with this dominance and growth. You're getting world-class assets at an average price. You're getting a virtual monopoly, multiple billion-user platforms, and AI leadership at an average price. That's a rare combination in today's market. Beyond search and YouTube, Alphabet owns a digital empire that touches nearly every aspect of our online lives. Let's look at some of their other giants: Android, Chrome, Gmail, Maps, Drive, each of which is a household name and a leader in its category, and the Play Store, each with over 1 billion users. These aren't just products, they're essential utilities for the digital age. These platforms create powerful network effects and data advantages. The more people use them, the stronger they become, making it nearly impossible for competitors to catch up. When you buy GOOG, you own a slice of the digital infrastructure powering the modern world. Alphabet's products are woven into the fabric of daily life for billions. The moat is massive. Disrupting all these businesses at once is nearly impossible. Alphabet's ecosystem is one of the most defensible in history. And there's more. Google Cloud is a fast-growing, profitable business competing with AWS and Azure. It's become a critical player in the cloud computing revolution. As companies move to the cloud and need AI computing power, Google Cloud is perfectly positioned. Its growth potential is enormous as digital transformation accelerates. Some analysts think Google Cloud alone could be worth a huge chunk of Alphabet's market cap. It's a business that could stand on its own as a tech giant. Then there's the other bets segment, moonshots like Waymo and Verily, which could redefine entire industries if they succeed. Waymo, self-driving cars, and Verily, health tech, are just the beginning. Alphabet is constantly experimenting, investing in the future, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The market assigns almost zero value to these, but they could be worth billions. If even one of these bets pays off, it could be a game changer for shareholders. So you get search, YouTube, a portfolio of billion-user products, a booming cloud business, and free call options on future tech, all at a bargain price. Alphabet's balance sheet is a fortress, with over $100 billion in cash. This financial strength gives them the flexibility to invest, acquire, and weather any storm. They're investing heavily in AI, buying back stock, and even paying a dividend. Alphabet is rewarding shareholders while still funding innovation at scale. The company is an innovation powerhouse with top talent and a culture of relentless progress. Their teams are always pushing the envelope, ensuring Alphabet stays ahead. Betting against Alphabet is betting against technological progress itself. This is a company that has repeatedly proven its ability to adapt and thrive. While others talk about AI, Alphabet is already embedding it everywhere. From search to cloud to consumer products, AI is at the core of their strategy. The current price is a rare chance to buy a world-class company at a discount. Opportunities like this don't come around often for businesses of this caliber. The market's fear is your opportunity. When others are worried, that's when the best investments are made. Alphabet's dominance, growth, and innovation are unmatched. Few companies have this combination of scale, profitability, and future potential. The narrative is disconnected from reality. This giant is stronger and more adaptable than ever. Don't let headlines distract you from the fundamentals. They have the resources and talent to dominate the AI transition. Alphabet is hiring the best minds and investing for the long term. Sometimes the best investments are hiding in plain sight. Alphabet is right in front of us, yet still underappreciated. Alphabet is a cornerstone for any serious long-term portfolio. It's the kind of stock you can hold for years and let compound. Buying GOOG today is buying a piece of the future at a reasonable price. You're investing in the infrastructure of tomorrow's digital world. The combination of established monopolies and next-gen tech leadership makes it a top opportunity. Alphabet is both a safe haven and a growth engine. With a massive market cap of $2.21 trillion, Alphabet remains one of the most valuable companies in the world. In 2024, the company reported an eye-popping $350.02 billion in revenue, along with a staggering net income of $100.12 billion. Its earnings per share came in at $9.06, with a price-to-earnings ratio of 19.49. Despite its size, Alphabet still manages to deliver strong profits and attractive valuation metrics, making it a key pillar in the tech sector and a favorite among long-term investors. This is a true phenomenal bargain. The value on offer is extraordinary for a business of this quality. Don't overthink it. Alphabet is a buy. Sometimes the obvious choice is the right one. The upside is huge and the risk is low for a business of this quality. The risk-reward profile is as good as it gets. The market's short-term fear is your long-term gain. Patient investors will be rewarded. Alphabet's story is far from over. The next chapters could be even more exciting than what we've seen so far. The next wave of tech innovation will be led by companies like this. Alphabet is at the forefront of shaping the future. If you want growth, safety, and exposure to AI, Alphabet is the answer. It's a rare blend of stability and innovation. The fundamentals are rock solid. The price is right. Alphabet is a buy. These are the opportunities that define portfolios. Don't let this one pass you by. Don't let fear keep you on the sidelines. The best time to invest is when others hesitate. Alphabet is a phenomenal bargain. Let's wrap it up. There you have it, Adobe and Alphabet, two titans trading at rare bargain prices. Both are supercharged by AI, not threatened by it, and offer a blend of safety and massive upside. The market's fear is your golden entry point into two of the world's best businesses. Don't miss your chance to build real wealth. These are the opportunities that change portfolios forever. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.